Hi, my name is Cito and I am the founder and head of the design of Centerstone. Centerstone is a group of company. We have different departments. Number one is our interior. We are focusing in designing and build up for both residential and commercial projects in Dubai. Second, we have the architectural vinyl wrapping. It's a modern interior solution where we do wrapping for kitchen cabinets, furnitures, doors and frames, and even walls. Third department is housekeeping. We are providing a complete solution in terms of housekeeping for holiday homes, such as Airbnbs and home rentals. The fourth department is we are providing flooring solution. It's either SPC, LVT, or vinyl flooring.